EPTA is the leading company in white appliances, automotive, and metalworks sectors. With high capability and experience on research, application, and adaptation of new, alternative, and more feasible and scientific technologies, offering its partners in strong, sustainable, competitive cooperation by being highly sensitive to the environment and persistent to contribute on global employment and representing the Turkish Engineering and Labor with honesty in trading all over Europe and the world. EPTA has got a facility consisting of 2,500 square meters closed area and 3,500 open air area, and since 1984, the date of establishment, EPTA has grown continuously, creating its own technology on productions with its dynamic and experienced employees who have so far designed 5 continuous mesh belt brazing furnaces, 48 semi-automatic machines for tube forming, 5 automatic tube cutting machines, 11 various test equipment for finished products, in addition to 2 hydraulic drawing presses, 3 stamping machines, 18 cable knitting machines, copper wire transfer machine, pinning and crimping machines, 1 automatic cable cutting machine. EPTA, well experienced in external trading, offers clients and partners to participate in their design, planning sequences to maintain highest capability with its absolute experience and knowledge. Since 1996, EPTA is a global supplier for leading companies in the world with a large range of products such as discharge and shock loop assemblies for domestic and industrial compressors, power connection cables called fusite cables for compressors, refrigerator connection tubes in various materials, stamped components such as welding rings, brackets, cooker main and auxiliary pipes. Today, EPTA is on the way of growing even greater by commencing the new EPTA plant investment project, which was designed, planned, and managed by its own engineers. The new facility will have 5,000 square meters closed area and 5,000 square meters open air area. With the greatest clients and partners, Embraco, Nidec, Emerson, Candy Hoover, Arçelik, TI Automotive, and many others, EPTA will keep growing consistently. Difference is EPTA. EPTA is the future.